everyone, welcome back. Today we are at Panvel, Vadhva Vice City. Hi everyone, this is Vishaka from Fortune Series. We are one of the most trusted channel partner of Navi Mumbai. We guarantee lowest price at no compromise. Vadhva is a very big brand in Mumbai. As you can see, they have delivered a lot of landmark projects in Mumbai. So this is the first time where Vadhva is in Navi Mumbai Panvel. This is an 450-acre land parcel. Vice City is an 450-acre land parcel where you get everything right from your residentials to the villas to the plots. You get everything in this project. Out of 450 acres, 200 acres is completely the greenery and nature part, and only 250 acres is the thing where we are doing the construction right now. Let's talk about the connectivity from this project. यहाँ से आपको Mumbai Pune Expressway. This is a bang-on project which is located on Mumbai Pune Expressway. Here, this is your Mumbai Pune Expressway, right in front of your project, right in front of the entrance. यहाँ से आपको बहुत ही नजदीक, like 25 minutes के distance पर वाशी, बेलापुर and Kharghar आ जाता है. Right from here, right from the project, you get easy access to the Mumbai Pune Expressway and the Bangalore Expressway. Here you get nice connectivity with the upcoming international airport, upcoming international Navi Mumbai airport, which is just 20 minutes away from here. You get a great connectivity with Navi Mumbai as this project is located in Panvel. Panvel is the new future, guys. This is an upcoming future. As you can see, Mumbai is already overcrowded. बहुत congestion चल रहा है वहाँ पर. There's a lot of things going on in Mumbai. There's a lot of pollution going on in Mumbai. Hence, this is the new future over here. Here you get great connectivity with Navi Mumbai. Here you get nice nature. You get good air to breathe in. Also, you get great connectivity to Mumbai because this project is bang on the Mumbai-Pune Highway Expressway. And from here you just have like 15 minutes distance पर आपका अटल सेतु आ जाता है, which connects you to the South Bombay, and where you will just reach Mumbai in like 45 minutes distance from here. And let's get inside and check our real project. Let's see how it is going on. So we are at our 3 BHK sample bungalow. As you can see on my right hand side, here you get huge parking area. बहुत बड़ा parking area है यहाँ का. And here you get a lot of space to plant trees and all. And this is your entrance. This is the entrance of your bungalow. Here you get a lobby space. And then upstairs is your first floor where you'll get your living area and your kitchen and your one bedroom. So let's get inside. This is your huge sitting area. Sizable living room you get over here. Here you can watch your TV, sitting, nice chilling. You'll have a good time with your family. And this is your dining table. Right now this is a 6-sitting dining table. You can easily convert it into an 8-sitting dining table. And coming ahead, we have our kitchen on the right hand side. This is a 2-sided platform kitchen where you get a window just for a windy nature. And this is what the fittings you will get over here. You have nice space to keep your washing machine or dishwasher. You get good cabinets over here. You can put good cabinets over here. Then coming out, we have our common washroom. This is our common washroom. Huge common washroom. Here you get service area. Then you get over here your bathroom area. You get commode, fittings, shower, everything is there. All fittings are branded fittings. Coming ahead, we have our first master bedroom. This is our first master bedroom. This is a 3 BHK bungalow. This is our first master bedroom. You get a full length window over here. Nice sunrise, nice nature. You have everything in this project. Then you get your bathroom, master bathroom. Sizable room, sizable carpet area, everything is beautiful over here. So this was our first master bedroom, and here you also get a pretty good size for your lift. You can place a lift service over here, and we'll go on the second floor to check with our second master bedrooms. And here comes our second master bedroom. This is our second master bedroom where you get pretty good size bedroom. Here is your full length window. Here comes our wardrobe. And you get nice pretty good size on both the sides of the bedroom. Here you can watch your TV, and here comes your second master bedroom ka second master washroom. This is the washroom. Pretty good size you get about the washroom. You get commode, sink area, service area, you get shower. All the fittings are branded fittings. And moving ahead to our third master bedroom. This is a huge size master bedroom. See, you can see the whole area is so good. You get a pretty beautiful open balcony over there, a sizable balcony. Then you can place your dressing table over here. Here you can place your wardrobe, and here comes your washroom. This is your third washroom. All fittings are branded. You can see everything is great. Rest than the furniture, you get everything over here. The tiles will be same, the fittings will be same. This is our balcony, beautiful designed balcony. So this is our third floor. Here you get your terrace. You can see how huge area this is. Here you can sit and chill. You can have your nice coffee and tea, evening coffee tea you can enjoy over here. You get nice sitting area over here. You can do barbecue, you can do party with your friends. Here you get nice lawn area. This is your lawn, and you can enjoy the view over here. This project is whole covered under all the mountains which is of Sahyadri. You can see in monsoon it will be very beautiful and very elegant view over here. So this project has everything available with them. So if you are looking for a ready to move in bungalow, they have that available, as you can see. And if you are looking for plots where you want to build your own dream house, then you can do that as well. I will mention the area of the plots as well. So please do let us know if you are looking for such areas. We have that available. So this was your 3 BHK sample bungalow. You can come and visit down this whole project. You can come and visit the sample flats and sample bungalows over here. You get a pretty good size of carpet area of this bungalow. I have mentioned every detail in the caption, in the description. And for more details, please contact on the given number. You get pretty good size for the lift area. You get lobby. You get pretty good size of the parking area. You get everything in this project. And yes, obviously the nature. So please do contact on the given number, visit this site and get a whole idea about the project. Thank you so much for watching this video.